Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to play music from smartphone via cars system. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth, and next go to audio. Enter menu and source. Select Bluetooth music, and now on your smartphone you can play any music you want. It will be played via cars speakers. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.